What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Two Deals video, and today it's Labor Day weekend, right? It's Labor Day Saturday. I'm late getting this thing out. Let's go ahead and hit it. So first up, we have CPO Outlets. And for those that don't know, I know it's right here. It says CPO is the #1 destination of DeWalt certified reconditioned tools. That does not mean all the tools are reconditioned. They do sell brand new stuff. You just got to make sure when you read, like most of this, all on this page, I think everything here is brand new. It'll be very obvious and let you know when it's reconditioned or refurbished. And everything from their website is professionally refurbished. So it's like a refurb from Makita or DeWalt, and then they send them to CPO to be sold. But we're talking about new stuff today. And I just want to let you guys know that they're having a sale this weekend. $25 off orders over $199. That's slightly better than the deal that I posted yesterday with DeWalt through Amazon, where you get $20 off orders over $199. So if you were looking at anything at Amazon yesterday, check on over at CPO Outlet to see if you can find the same deal and get that extra $5 off. Not only that, we also have Retail Me Not with 1% cash back. So that's a lot better than going through Amazon. There you have that. Moving on over to Home Depot real quick. We have this hammer drill kit deal that comes with a 2 amp hour battery and an XC 4 amp hour battery charger case for $179 with a free gift. Now, that free gift, there's people that's hacking this, okay? But check this out. For $179, I felt like I said $149, but for $179, you can get you another tool, okay? You can get this ratchet, which is brush. I just like that thing. It's probably at this point other brands that make a good ratchet. I just had mine for a long time, and they were the first ones. So it's probably other ones out. I've never tried them. Never tried the Ryobis. A lot of people like those. But anyway, this right angle drill is okay. It's not that powerful. I wouldn't really recommend that. Well, shoot. I guess it's probably not much over here. I would recommend this soldering iron maybe. So anyway, you could just add this ratchet if you wanted to just get this drill, add them both to cart, and you end up spending $97.69 for this kit, which is a great price, or $81.31 for this ratchet, which is not a bad deal because I've always said that this is a $79 tool, and this is appropriate. So honestly, if you just bought that kit and add that ratchet, that's a solid deal. The thing is, I don't like this hammer drill because of the ergonomics. Some of you do, some of us don't. That's up to you. I don't like the ergonomics. And then it's weird that it's a hammer drill at that because you got to be careful with this thing binding up on you. But other than that, you know, it's a good deal. Moving on over to Woot. Woot, 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 Woot. They're having a DeWalt deal. A sale. A DeWalt sale. And this page is full of decent deals. And you guys know that that's not great. Decent deals is just that, decent deals. Like this, you have just this drill, which is not a hammer drill, and then you have another drill here, which is DeWalt. Boy, I tell you, I don't know the difference between these two, but they're the same price, okay? And you have this light here that's $34.99, you know. These are decent deals. It's a charger for $27. It's decent. It's like, that's not bad. So there you go. If you want to, it's not a bad deal. That's this page right here for you. Moving on. I ain't got nothing else to say. Now we have this. Let's look at the price first. $199.20. And of course, we have Rakuten over at Acme Tools. If you're new to Rakuten, use the link in the description and get a $30 bonus. When you sign up, using that link in addition to the 2% cash back. Now, let's go ahead and look at this kit. $199.20 along with the cash back. You have the XR oscillating tool. That's DeWalt's top of the line oscillating tool right there. And then you have an orbital sander. During the holiday season, you can find this for like $129. This oscillating tool, I think I might have seen it one time for $99. And then you see during the holidays, this orbital sander for $99. Then you have this 5 amp hour battery and a rapid charger. Again, for $199. That's a solid deal right there. Solid deal. Moving on, we have more deals like overall deals at Acme Tools. We're having for Labor Day, 25% off on select apparel. So it's 1,700 items. Clearly, I didn't go through them. I'm just letting you guys know if you were looking for apparel, because a lot of you love the Milwaukee stuff. Go ahead and search it here, and you get your 25% off plus your racks, and don't forget that. Moving on over to Lowe's. We have this Craftsman BOGO 4-amp-hour battery starter kit, and you get to choose a free gift, $129. Not terrible if you're in the Craftsman line or want to get in the Craftsman line. I don't know why you really want to get in the Craftsman line. If you're not into anything and you're starting off, I would not recommend that, but they do have pretty inexpensive tools. And of course, Craftsman is made by DeWalt. Some of their tools are quite similar. One's just red, one's just yellow, but overall, you're not getting all of the. They're not as good as DeWalt. Just leave it at that. Moving on over, we have this Kobalt. Buy more, save more. So if you spend $400, you save $100. I like this kit a lot. I've never used it, but Kobalt has pretty darn good ergonomics. It's all made by Sherwin. And this kit comes with their top-of-the-line hammer drill, their top-of-the-line impact driver, a very nice flashlight that articulates, turns, and it also has a hook, a high-output 4-amp-hour battery, and a regular 2-amp-hour battery, and charger for $269. That's a great price for all of this. The DeWalt equivalent going to be $399. The Milwaukee equivalent will also be $399. And let's quickly go over the specs. The hammer drill produces 1,200 inch-pounds. Again, that's on par with your top-of-line Milwaukees and DeWalts, Metabo HPTs and Bosches. And the impact drive produces 2,400 inch-pounds of torque. That outdoes everybody but Flex. 700 lumen LED work light. In terms of flashlight and stuff, that's not a lot. But for work lights that you generally come with kits, that's pretty darn good. And it's on a buy more, save more. So $269. What you want to do is try to find something that's $149 or $139 would really be ideal. So here's $149, the 7 1/4 inch circular saw. You have a reciprocating saw for $149. So let's go ahead and just go with the reciprocating saw, and we'll go with this kit, and we'll see what everything breaks down to. Because you can, lots of people again don't know, but you can hack the buy more, save mores over at Lowe's. And so we went over the Bosch stuff yesterday and the Kobalt stuff today. This reciprocating saw breaks down to be $113.35. That's okay. I wouldn't pay that for a Kobalt. But this kit right here breaks down to be $204.65. Really, really great deal right there. There's nothing like this really matching that type of deal. So great deal right there. So moving on. And then also we have another BOGO with the starter kit. 2 4-amp-hour batteries, a charger, and you get to choose your gift over here. That's $149. You can choose between an angle grinder, an impact wrench, a job site blower, circular saw, another impact wrench. This impact wrench here, look, everyone rants and raves about this thing and how it's the most powerful right angle impact wrench. Look, let me tell you something. I am going to go against the grain here and say I don't like this. I have it. I was excited to get it, but one thing I feel like nobody really mentioned is the fact that this thing, it doesn't have any modes. It's just, and that's it. It's just on. And I don't like that because you can easily strip something, break something. Yeah, I don't like that. So to me, it's not better than the Milwaukee M12 stuff because they have modes and you can use them in every situation. This I'm not fond of personally, but you have this right angle drill. This is pretty good because I think it has a 2-speed transmission, which according to Project Farm, those are the ones you want because they produce more torque. So I really do believe this has one being brushless too. That'll be a pretty good one. Orbital sander, belt sander, portable speaker, a router, fan, a polisher, another reciprocating saw, a 2700 lumen light, a ratchet, heat gun, all types of stuff to choose from, y'all. And this is a really good one-handed reciprocating saw too. I think it has a 1-inch stroke, which is unbelievable for a one-handed reciprocating saw. The oscillators per minute are up there on par with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel. Then we also have another circular saw here. So there's a whole lot of stuff to choose from for $149. I like that deal a lot. And that is it. Oh, before we go, remember Lowe's also has Rakuten 3% cash back this weekend, along with the $30 cash back if you're new. So hopefully you find something good this weekend. Have a safe weekend. Enjoy your day off Monday, and I will see you guys next time.